price of wood is incredible. And these aren't even cedar. Here's what we're going to get. This is going to be Karen's new project. What do you think?
I'm thinking, yeah, let's get her done. It'll be beautiful. Not much to look at now.
So we'll get a bunch of these, load them in the car, and off we go.
Mold free.
Got to pick up some silicone so we can stick those beads, marbles, into the fence. Does this silicone meet the Walton approval?
I think so.
One tube should do you. A little tube will do you. A little dab will do you.
I suppose you're wondering where I got this idea from. I got this idea from Pinterest, like so many other people do. And I thought I'd give it a try. And I think it will look quite well over there. To the craft store today, got these to make sure. We got out of one of these containers that we got about 200 or 121 were big and or 111 and 121 were small. I just counted one, so if that gives you any idea, because it doesn't tell you how many's there.
And what we're going to do after we figure out where all these go, we're going to take a Forstner bit and drill so that these will actually be in the wood. Kind of like when you see some birds that peck in a tree and they hide all their acorns and stuff like that. So these will be kind of flush with the board. This is a 3/4 Forstner bit. This one is a 7/8 Forstner bit. And we got these really cheap. Went to Harbor Freight. They had a whole set of them for under $10, as opposed to buying each one of these for anywhere up to 10 to 20 bucks a piece. I know they're not going to be the greatest bits, but they're going to get this job done at a relatively cheap price. So Karen has marked out on the boards all the places where I'm going to drill with a Forstner bit, and then these will set inside of the holes. Some are larger, some are smaller. So we had to mark which ones were which, so after we drill them, we'll know which, because some of these are bigger and some of them are a little bit smaller. So we have two different sets of Forstner bits that we have to use to drill all these, and we have a bunch to go through. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drilling with the Forstner bit into the wood, so we'll make the holes that these marbles will go into. Once that hole's made, I'll put some silicone into this hole, and hopefully the marbles will stick.
Laying out the big ones first. And then these are already laid out. So I'm gonna go and just put a dollop of the glue and now what we're going to do, we're going to start putting these up, and we'll see how that looks. project is complete. The sun is shining in my eyes, but that's okay. These are sparkling and they're beautiful from the dining room window. Project done.